The excretory system is, it really talks about the kidneys, but when we think about excretion, I think it's important to point out that we also do excrete carbon dioxide. So excretion is really when we get rid of anything that used to be a part of us. So carbon dioxide or carbon, we're carbon-based organisms, so we do excrete carbon dioxide. But we also excrete the products of protein breakdown. So when we break down proteins in our body, so if we don't go to the gym much and we don't work out, some of our muscles may start to get a bit smaller. We might break down some of those proteins and they'll end up forming some wastes that contain nitrogen, and we need to get rid of them. So basically what happens is the blood is traveling around the body. It goes in fact to the liver, and in the liver converts any nitrogenous wastes into something called urea, so that's a waste product, and then the blood keeps going around the body, and then it gets to an organ which is called the kidney. And the kidney's job is to filter the blood, and this is a really vital, it's the key organ of the excretory system. So the kidney filters out all of the bad stuff from our body, from our blood. So all heaps of blood goes into the kidney. Blood goes in, not really dirty, but containing some waste products. The kidney takes everything out of the blood, takes everything out of the blood, and it actually puts the good things back. And then it keeps the bad things, and it puts them out into a ureter. So this is just basically a tube. So the kidney filters all the bad things out of the blood. They then filter those bad things, go through the ureter. They're then stored, all the bad things are stored in the bladder. And then when you need to go to the toilet, you get rid of the stuff in your bladder. So that's urine or wee, and you basically wee it out. So hopefully your wee's not green. It's probably a yellowy color. The more yellow it is, kind of the more waste products that's in it. But that's the excretory system. So the kidney filters the blood, and all the waste products are taken out of the blood, into the bladder, and then you wee them out. And that's excretion.